There are many Instant Pot products available to choose from, each with different features, benefits, and prices. I have done extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best Instant Pot from reputable brands to help you make an informed decision. After a lot of research, I found these products to be the best for you. If you want to know about the price and other information, remember to check my description. So without further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 5. Ninja OL501, rating 4.7, large capacity with the ability to pressure cook, air fry, and steam crisp all under one smart lid. Stainless steel reversible rack allows you to steam, broil, and increase cooking capacity for one-touch, 2-layer meals. Prepare quicker meals with up to 70% faster cooking versus slow cooking, 40% faster one-touch meals versus traditional cooking methods, and 25% faster artisan bread and cakes versus traditional ovens. 14 programmable cooking functions: pressure cook, steam and crisp, steam and bake, air fry, broil, bake roast, dehydrate, sear sauté, steam, sous vide, slow cook, yogurt, keep warm and proof. Number 4. Comfy pressure cooker, rating 4.7. Quick one-touch kickstart with 12 preset smart programs. Electric pressure canner, sauté, baked stew, steam, oatmeal, slow cook, soup broth, egg, rice, bean chili, yogurt. Pressure cooker, slow cooker, sauté pan, rice cooker, yogurt maker, cake maker, egg cooker, steamer, food warmer. Advanced safety protection lid lock, anti-block cover, pressure limiting valve, automatic pressure and temperature control, overheat protection, and more. UL certified. Healthy non-stick inner pot, easy to use and clean with dishwasher safe. Cooks for up to 6 people. All components in contact with food are BPA-free materials. Number 3. Instant Pot Star Wars, rating 4.8. Soup, meat stew, bean chili, poultry, sauté simmer, rice, multigrain, porridge, steam, slow cook, keep warm. Yogurt, manual, and pressure cook. Now, your favorite dishes are as easy as pressing a button. Healthy inner cooking pot made from 304 and 18/8 stainless steel. No chemical coating, 3-ply bottom for even heat distribution. Fully sealed environment traps the flavors, nutrients and aromas within the food. Accessories include stainless steel steam rack with handles and condensation collector. Keep warm setting keeps food warm up to 10 hours and can be manually adjusted to stay warm for almost 100 hours. Number 2. Instant Pot Stainless, rating 4.8. Get to cooking with high-quality steel, safe for food preparation. The Instant Pot Stainless Steel Inner Cooking Pot has no chemical coating and is made with food-grade 304 and 18/8 stainless steel. Genuine Instant Pot multi-use programmable pressure cooker accessory, designed for the Instant Pot Mini 3-quart. An Instant Pot verified accessory. Get ready to create amazing culinary masterpieces with the right cooking tool. The Instant Pot Stainless Steel Inner Cooking Pot features a 3-ply bottom that distributes heat evenly when cooking. Number 1. Instant Pot Pro, rating 5.0. Pressure cook, slow cook, sous vide, sauté pan, sterilizer, yogurt maker, food warmer, cake baker and steamer. The included 28 program settings are perfect for a selection of essential meals. 5 programmable settings for your own special recipes. Pressure cook to save time and retain more flavor, or slow cook for traditional recipes. Genuine Instant Pot pressure cooker accessory. Dishwasher safe, perfect for slow cooking, rice cooking. Duo Evo series inner pot. Can only be used in the Duo Evo Plus pressure cookers. Ending here for today. Every day I will make different good product videos to help you. So subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the price of the product, see my description for any kind of problem. Please comment below. Stay updated with our great products as they will make your life easier and more beautiful.